Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use L Carnitine Liquid for fat loss. Measure your dose and take it consistently around workouts or meals for best results. Start with the labeled dose, then adjust only if needed and safe. Keep a short daily log to track timing, dose, and how you feel so you can fine-tune usage. Stay hydrated and pair supplementation with solid nutrition and movement for better outcomes. Timing matters, so aim to take L Carnitine Liquid roughly 30 to 60 minutes before your main workout to support energy use during exercise. If you prefer, try a smaller dose in the morning and another before training to spread effects. Watch your personal response and don't expect overnight miracles. Consistent timing plus sensible eating and movement is the reliable path to progress. Adjust slowly based on real feedback. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support more content. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your post-gym commute smelling great, and it makes a funny little pick-me-up after sweaty sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Then now let's get back to the video. Start at the labeled dose and respect safety boundaries by not exceeding the recommended daily amount without medical advice. Monitor for side effects like nausea or jitteriness and pause use if you notice anything concerning. If you take medications or have health conditions, check with your provider to avoid interactions. Treat L Carnitine as an adjunct to diet and training, not a replacement, and keep realistic expectations for fat loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.